$100,000. I'm going to add some. I added some more funding to it once I got a couple trades, got my feet wet to make sure it was secure, and I liked it. I like it. I'm still going to be using my E-Trade as well as my other platforms that I use. I like to do different platforms with technical analysis and so forth. So depends on how I feel when I wake up in the morning, and depends on what I'm trading, triple zeros, sub pennies, or penny stocks, or blue chip stocks. Then it goes from there. It doesn't really matter. I handle it either way. Once again, this is Ken with Pennyhatstocks. Just going over a couple things today. You can also join us, or I'm sorry, you can join us on Twitter. This is what our Twitter handle looks like. This is our Twitter feed. We also do Forex alerts as well. The market should be opening soon, about 4 or 5 o'clock. Usually just take a look at it and see what's going on. These are all the alerts that I basically alert. Just to, alert my VIPs through Twitter, as well as we do have a VIP group. But my main focus is the newbies that's coming in, and I'm dropping a video just for you. Stay dropping videos just to, I feel more connected with my YouTube subscribers, as well as my Twitter following and Facebook group. And I want to thank you for all the new members that's in Pennyhatstocks, the Facebook group, as well as all the new YouTube subscribers. We'll be doing more games, more knowledge, dropping knowledge, and trying to really alert you on the key. Definitely join the chat room if you get a moment. The chat room is ran by Johnny as well as Hassan. Very good guys in there, and a whole lot of experienced traders as well as myself in the room that drop alerts more so them than I. I'll basically focus on several other groups that I monitor and maintain as well. But this group is a tight-knit family group, and is based off Earn As You Learn. It came about as an Earn As You Learn family group for a campaign. We wanted to touch 100,000 families, 100,000 family members, and it's still in the works. We just want to just keep it small right now, and as it grow, keep it tight-knit. We basically, everybody knows everybody, and if you don't know them, you get to know them, and you basically go from there. All right, enough with the preliminaries. I did the Twitter, I did the Penny Stock group on Facebook, I did the Market Watch, and also this is our YouTube page. You can go back for the newbies. I'm trying to get the subscriber list up to 500 before the year is out. If you know somebody that's looking to get into the game as well, tell them to come check out the videos. A lot of knowledge, a lot of wealth of knowledge, a lot of promotions that in the past. Don't play the past promotions unless you do your own DD and you feel like getting in. You don't know. I get countless of emails saying, "Oh, I played your stock a month ago." Well, that promotion is over, or 2 months ago. We on to the new promotion, and the new promotion that I'm doing, this 30-day promotion, is ticker symbol COSI, and I'm still in ticker symbol SKLN. Penny stock, please. Go back, check the videos out, do your due diligence on your own. I'm not your investment or your broker or advisor. I'm just your penny stock promoter slash mentor slash helpful, faithful one. And we don't do pump and dumps here at Pennyhatstocks. Going into my platform, somebody wanted to see my platform and to see how we pretty much operate. What do I do in the morning to get up and check my charts? First, I start off with my watch list here to my right. Then I go check my other performing stocks. As you see, SKLN. I check to see where I'm at. I check the ticker symbol COSI just to keep an eye on it. This is my platform where I keep an eye on basically all the stocks that we have. AVP, I'm still in AVP. I'm still playing Sprint as well as NFLX. And I'm going to go just give you a sample of NFLX and Weight Watchers and ticker symbol SGY. I still keep an eye on that as well. This is AVP, ticker symbol AVP. But we're going to start out with Weight Watchers. That's one of the ones that I feel that's going to bounce pretty soon. Here we are at 11:31. If you run across the line, it hasn't touched. It touched 11:31. Probably let's count 1, 2, 3, I'm gonna get at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, probably about 18, 20 times since it's been picked up by Oprah. Oprah has a 3-year deal on the Weight Watchers. So now I'm gonna consider this a bottom play. I know it could have dipped a little bit more. It looked like it touched $10.50 back in June, end of June, somewhere mid-June, somewhere around there. I don't have my pointer up, but you know, I'm just freelancing it right now for you guys, just so you can see how to buy your dip play. All this is where you take profit at. This is where you buy in at, and now it's moving up. I think I jumped in at 11.20 because I feel like Oprah's about to do something. Earnings is coming out soon as well. I think it's August 4th, if I'm not mistaken. She's coming out with earnings. The company's coming out. I shouldn't say she's coming out with earnings. The company's coming out with earnings. But do your own due diligence. I'm just giving you an alert on what's this, Weight Watchers. Let's go to Netflix. Netflix is down, has like a 15% drop. But if you look at history always repeats itself. Just look at the play. Look where it dropped down. I actually got the lines and my trend lines in now. It dropped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna get at 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. About 11 times. It would have been good to catch down here. It would have been good to catch down here at 82, even 80. I think that's the 80 line, $80 a share. But we didn't catch it down there. We're basically right here. This is your buy right here. If it drops down to 83, 85, but it's been holding, as you can see, it's been holding at 85, between the 83, 85ish. So it's due for a bounce soon. I know they have a deal with Walt Disney coming out in September, so I'm definitely buying in and averaging down because I got it in kind of higher and on different accounts. So that's why I have multiple accounts. So I just spread some money around and buy some more, buy another 100 shares, buy another 15. Buy another 100 shares, buy another 15 to 30 shares on another account, just to add a kind of average down and then sell off and take profits. I'm looking to bounce back out once, basically on Monday. I'm going to just test the waters, see where we at, and come out. If I can get 96, 98, that's about $5 a share as well. The same thing with Weight Watchers. It's at 11. You want to sell, get $3 a share at 14.40. Take your profits, run like hell. It's not hard at all. What else did we have? What was the other ticker symbols? We did AVP, same difference. It's a little high right now. I would have liked to quarter it somewhere around 260 to catch that, but it's been holding, as you can see. It's been holding and going up. So this is actually, if it breaks $4, you can actually make 20 plus cents a share off of that as well. So I do have some AVP as well. I just want to give you a type of understanding of what I look for, plays that we look for. I look for blue chip stocks as well as, let's go to, what's that, ticker symbol COS. Look, we at 0.2139. 3 things are going to happen. It's either going to bounce, bankruptcy, or reversal split, RS, reversal split. So, same thing happens with ticker symbol VMEM. You can go back and look at the video on that. Ticker symbol, same thing is going to happen that happened to SGY. Ticker symbol that happened to CYCC. Get in now, get your shares, and watch it take off. The company's going to turn around. I showed you the video of the store. The store is clean cut in a very, they only in prime areas, Manhattan, Ardmore, and PA. Go do your due diligence on what the house is worth in Ardmore alone. The real estate property, the real estate that they sit on is high. They at 30th Street Market is where the train station is located. So it's not a scam. They do what they do. The ticker symbol is down. We don't know if the CEO is going to change, is going to be ousted out, but go check them out. Once again, don't forget to become a subscriber. I'm done with the charts now. It's pretty much you buy low, sell high. This is where we at now on ticker symbol COSI. This is I averaged down. I did average down some more shares, and I'm just waiting for a bounce. And even if I hold for the reversal split, I'm going to hold for reversal split. It's about patience. It's about understanding. Yes, the company is bleeding, but all companies bleed. But you got to look at the how long. I talked to a manager there, was there for 14 years. Come on, a company's has been around for a while. It's not going to just go out of business without a fight. So trust and believe. History always repeats itself. It's due for a bounce. Go back and look at what's this? I'm gonna say July 2nd, the week of the July 1st, somewhere in that area. Find out why they took that heavy dip. Do your own DD, newbies. It's not hard. Go back and look at some news. Then also have the calendars. You can look at your calendars. You got your corporate. You got your dividends. This is how I found my dividend stocks, my earnings, my offerings, my stock splits. It's all there. You can go back and check your news. That's why it's important to have the tools to do the necessary work. Once again, this is Ken with Pennyhatstocks. I want to thank you for your time and all your efforts that you've been putting in, Johnny and Hassan, and every member of the group. All the new members, make sure you become a subscriber on YouTube. It's not hard. Go set up a YouTube channel because you'll get the alerts first. 9 times out of 10, if I alert something, I alert on YouTube first, because that's part of my VIP group that I have, and I definitely owe. My whole career is based off of helping people, and they have put me in a better place to where I've been in the last, say, 5 or 6 years. They definitely feed me well. So I definitely want to offer that up to the VIP first, and it comes out on YouTube. A lot of my VIP members are subscribers on YouTube as well. So become a YouTube subscriber, become a Twitter follower, as well as become a member of the chat room. And definitely take advantage of what the guys are offering, far as on that Penny Hat Investment Challenge, on that market watch. Take advantage of that. You might just learn something. A lot of guys are charging for this information that y'all getting now. This stuff is coming free. I haven't even punched up my Forex account. I'm not even really set up for that on this particular screen. That's on my other screen. So definitely, I want to keep this video short. I want to thank everybody from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate your time and your efforts and all the clicks that go down in the room, for all the participants that are participating in the chat room. It does my heart well. Even though you don't see me around a lot, I do drop in. I do monitor it. I'm really hands off. I don't do micromanaging. I'm really hands off and really turn it over to Johnny and Hassan. They're really doing a great job and handling the volume that's coming as well. And I'm going to continue to do what I do. And my job is to get the newbies to the site, get the newbies to the room, and help others learn as best as I can, and point you in the right direction so you won't make the kind of pitfalls I know others have made in the past and lose the kind of money others have lost in the past. Once again, this is Ken with Pennyhatstocks. Feel free to email me at pennyhatstocks@gmail.com. Become a YouTube subscriber, become a Twitter follower, as well as become a member of the Facebook group so you can join the chat room. And that's pretty much the only way you can become in the chat room, is through via either if Johnny invites you, but you have to join the Facebook group. We're constantly growing. We'd like to say thank you for all the new members. Take your time. Remember, you only live once. You don't want to blow your account up. And definitely participate in this. Go to marketwatch.com and take the challenge, Penny Hat Investment Challenge. You have 21 days, 18 hours, and 1 minute to basically sign up and do your thing. And definitely research some stocks, because I want everybody to rank high. But everybody can't be first, and everybody can't be last, and everybody can't be in the middle. So definitely bring your A game. And I'm looking forward to the challenge, y'all. Peace.